This update is a huge update. Make sure you follow this thread for the latest update. And this is the Peacemakers update, the latest update, and we have got some latest tweets right over here. Game update is now slowly being rolled out 34 minutes ago. Full list of patch notes today update is available. New era will have more peace. So I was trying to play Mortal Kombat 1, but I'm getting this error. Connecting to Mortal Kombat 1 servers, please wait. So what is really going on into the Mortal Kombat 1 servers, why they are down? Is there any new update? What are the patch notes? Alright, so this is the Mortal Kombat Twitter official page. Let's check it out to the down detector. There are some outage reports, 158 outage reports. There are some latest updates. There are tons and tons of new updates that people are posting. Season 4 skins. First look at the skins of the Scorpion, Sub-Zero, Reptile, and Smoke Fatality. Game is having some major updates as of right now. Game update is now slowly being rolled out. 1 hour ago, we have got new skins for these characters. There is a huge patch notes available, and the patch note for the game is released via the Discord announcement. Alright, so let's check it out, the latest update from the game developers itself. What's really going on? Alright, so this is the Mortal Kombat Twitter official page. Let's check it out. Do they have got any latest update? So here you can see, guys, 23 hours ago they have got this tweet, and then right after that, 16 hours ago, tomorrow the new era will have more peace. Than you'll know what to do with the Mortal Kombat 1. And this is the Peacemakers update, the latest update. And here you can see, guys, we have got some latest tweets right over here. To bring the peace, there will be server maintenance starting on 28th of February, 9 a.m. CT, 7 a.m. Pacific time, lasting approximately 2 hours. Keep eye on to the post for further details. So you see the point, guys. This is the schedule provided by the game developers itself. So keep eye onto it because the update will be for 2 hours. Then right after that, 28 minutes ago, our server maintenance is still underway. Make sure you follow this thread for the latest update. 34 minutes ago, full list of patch notes today update is available. Make sure you update your game before heading back into the MK1. Guys, I'm not gonna going to spoil all the details, but you can check out the latest patch notes, their Twitter official page for all the latest details. But as far as all the latest details goes, they are still working onto the server maintenance, and they'll be going to keep you up to date. You check out this timing right over here given into the post. It will approximately last 2 hours as said by the game developers. This is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.